It's summer in the Washington, D.C. metro area, and it's buying season, baby. So we're in June 2025 in the Washington, D.C. metro area, and we're seeing tremendous slowdown in the amount of listings that are hitting the market, as well as the showings that are happening on the listings that we have on the market. So it's an interesting time every single year. This is typically when the kids get out of school, right around the middle of June, we see things really slow down as far as our market is concerned. Now, that's unusual to a lot of people. A lot of people think, wow, summer's the time to buy. That's when the kids are getting, they need to get into their schools, so people are buying in the summer. And that's traditionally true in other areas. In this area, Congress is out of session, and we see just a lot of slowdown in the amount of people even in the area due to travel and work constraints and things of that nature. So what's interesting is this area really slows down in the summer, and it's a great time to purchase real estate for what I would consider to be, a little bit of a fair price to below fair market price for properties. So as I said, it's buying season, baby, and we are helping people buy homes right now for tremendously good deals, even offer contingent on home sales, which has been very unusual the past 7-8 years. It's been literally impossible to get those through. So we're seeing that happen. So that's a difference in the market. Now, as we go into July and August, we'll probably see things even slow down a little bit more. Less listings hitting the market, less traffic, less buyers focusing on buying real estate, because most of them have more or less already found the house that they're looking for. So there will still be some activity, and the low supply of houses will pose problems for buyers who are looking for a large number of houses on the market. However, right now we're seeing a lot of homeowners and sellers who have listed their houses that are getting traffic and not getting offers. We're seeing them reduce their prices. So what does that mean if you're a buyer? It means it's time to buy. As soon as those interest rates start ticking down, which, at some point in this year, we're expecting that to happen, we're going to see a big uptick in the amount of buyers that are coming into the market, and we'll start seeing multiple offers again, most likely. If you're a seller, it's a very price-sensitive market. So you've got to make sure that you price your house correctly in order to sell it so it doesn't sit for too long, and then you have to reduce it, and then you start getting lower offers than you would have even gotten if you would have started at a better price. So if you got any questions, feel free to give me a shout. I'm happy to be a resource. John Dehart with the Homes from Dehart team, powered by Keller Williams here in McLean, Virginia. Hope you have a great summer.